Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for today, which was Monday the 18th of July. So with the FTSE we said that if we can clear 72.17 to 72.27 resistance, we could, the next upside target was 72.82 to 72.92. So let's go and have a look at the FTSE today. Okay, so as you can see on the FTSE today, we opened up and we cleared that 72.17 to 72.27 resistance. We got a continuation here, we had another continuation pattern here, and we easily made it up to this zone here at the 72.58 to 72.66 zone. We didn't make it up to that 72.82 to 72.92 zone. We have held this zone as support at the moment a few times around here, so this reversal pattern here would have been a losing trade, not really enough room there to get risk free. If you'd put your stop below that zone and put a bit of a wider stop, that would have been safe and that would have still been in play at the moment. But if you had a really tight stop below that reversal signal, that would have been a losing trade, just being taken out here. So depending on where you had your stop as to whether that trade was still running, whether it was risk free or whether it would have been a losing trade. We then had this signal here. Didn't take the liquidity out over here though, so not one that I particularly like myself. And we've just had another reversal signal here. Again, doesn't take out this earlier liquidity, does take out this one, so it's a little bit better, but still not taking out this liquidity here, so not necessarily one that I would have been looking to trade. So yeah, this zone has worked really well today. We got the push up, a couple of continuation patterns into this zone here, and then we've held it on a retest this afternoon. So that's the FTSE. Now let's go and have a look at the Dax. So the Dax, we said, was approaching resistance at 13,000 to 13,020, and if we got a sustained break above there, we had main resistance at 13,110 to 13,130. So let's go and have a look at the Dax today. Okay, so the DAX not quite as strong as the FTSE today. However, it's still, this 13,000 to 13,020 zone still worked fairly well. So we had the open, and we actually, like I said, it was a little bit weaker. We took a little bit more time to break this 13,000 to 13,020 zone. We did get the initial touch there and reaction off the bottom of that zone there. I mean, I guess you could have taken this one. It would have been very aggressive because the entry was way below the zone. But if you had taken that one, probably wouldn't have quite managed to get yourself risk-free down into this zone here. We then got the impulsive breakthrough above there into this zone. And if you manage to get, there was a bit of a breakout pattern here. Let me just draw that for you. Okay, so you can see this sort of breakout pattern here, which then broke up through. We then came down, we retested this zone as support. Did get a little bit of a reversal pattern there, got a nice reaction from that, and then we got another nice reversal pattern here, just taking out that liquidity there before getting the reversal and then moving up into that zone. We've then got this strong impulsive push down, and then we just consolidated below that zone for this afternoon. So the FTSE has held above the resistance turn support zone. DAX did initially hold above that resistance turn support zone, but it's now actually back below. So we'll have to see what happens overnight. But a couple of opportunities there on the FTSE and DAX. A couple of a bit of choppy stuff as well. Maybe a couple that you would have taken a loss on. Maybe a couple that you needed to, depending on how you played it, as to whether you had the wide stop or the tight stop, as to whether that would have been a winner or a loser or a break-even trade. But also a couple of nice opportunities, and the zones have worked. Certainly those main zones have worked really well today. So I hope you found this useful. Hope you're having a nice week. Hope you had a great weekend in this beautiful weather we're having here in the UK. Staying safe in these extreme heats that we're not very used to either. But yeah, I hope you're finding these reports useful. As always, please comment, like, let me know what you think of the report, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll speak to you again soon. Cheers.